Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This is A-Team Adventures and this week we are in Denver, coming to you from the Gothic Theater where we're seeing Ruby Waters, who is one of our all-time favorite artists ever. After the Ruby Waters concert, we went up to some Forest Service land near Winter Park, Colorado. Because less than a week later, we are going to another show at Red Rocks. This is Marc Rebillet with a warm-up from Reggie and Flying Lotus. And that about sums up our live music experience in Denver, Colorado. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment.